hello, nuthatch. Oh,
do you have the ones with the weird bills? Yeah, remember the
chickadees.
Yeah, the chickadees with the beak that comes down too far.
Oh yeah, it's called a grosbeak. Yeah, but
that's environmental. That's something they got into that cause deformity, right?
Oh yeah, that's true. Hey, what's up, guys? It's LarkH94. I wanted to make a video of actually welcome to Bird Tales. Now I'm right now in like
Eagle River, Alaska.
Yeah, Eagle River, Alaska, which has a lot of really beautiful birds, like extremely beautiful nuthatches. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh, there's like a ton of nuthatches on the. Yeah. And if you want to know, the nuthatches are not the ones that were with Bernie Sanders that day. So, yeah, there are nuthatches everywhere. But, so yeah, guys, well, that's all for my video. Just like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and if you live in Canada or in Eagle River, Alaska, then these birds are awesome. Bye, guys.